Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by cutting water and bleeding the system. This prevents sprays and lost parts. Once the valve is closed, open the tap to drain residual water and make sure you have an adjustable spanner, screwdrivers, a hex key, and the correct spindle replacement. Mark the handle orientation so you can reinstall exactly. This saves time later. Remove decorative caps and screws, then lift the handle. Make sure to keep small parts in a tray. Lost screws cause delays. With the handle removed, use the spanner to loosen the retaining nut while you support the spindle to stop torque from damaging the valve body. Once loosened, pull the spindle straight out. If it resists, apply penetrating lube and work gently. Inspect seals, O-rings, and the spindle shaft for scoring or deformation because worn seals cause leaks. Clean the valve bore with a cloth and light solvent, removing mineral deposits, and grit so the new spindle will seat correctly. You install the new spindle by lubricating seals lightly and sliding it in straight, matching the marks you made earlier. Alignment ensures proper shutoff. Once seated, hand tighten the retaining nut and then add about 1/8 of a turn with the spanner. This avoids overcompressing seals. Refit the handle, restore water, and test for leaks by operating through full hot and cold travel. If you see drips, make sure the seat is undamaged, retorque slightly, or swap in replacement seats. That single check.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.